How this Polymarket trader makes 100K a month from a small starting balance. This trader is playing a game most people refuse to play. 99.5% win rate. 14,878 trades. Only 33 losses. His strategy isn't complicated. He simply buys what's already likely to happen. Around 90% of his positions are opened when the probability is between 70% and 90% outcomes the market already leans toward. Instead of chasing huge wins, he stacks small statistical edges and treats Polymarket like a probability index. He follows trend, momentum, RSI, and the macro picture. Boring but effective. His profit is about $100,000 in profit per month. You don't need to invent your own strategy. You can simply copy trade this guy on Polycop.io.